Welcome to Kiddy Joy. Today, Kiddy is visiting his grandpa's beautiful farmhouse. Let's join him to explore, learn, and have some fun.
I'm visiting Grandpa's farm. Yay!
Today, I'm visiting Grandpa's farm. Yay!
Welcome to Grandpa's farm.
Let's explore.
Welcome to Grandpa's farm. Let's explore.
Can I drive the tractor, Grandpa?
Can I drive the tractor, Grandpa?
Hold on tight, hand. We're moving slowly.
Hold on tight. We're moving slowly. Look at the ducks following us.
Hello, little calf. You're so soft.
Hello, little calf. You're so soft.
This is where we keep tools for
This is where we keep tools for milking.
Now, Grandma taught me to be patient and gentle.
Now, Grandma taught me to be patient and gentle. Kiddy.
Oops, I made a milk shower.
Oops, I made a milk shower.
We feed animals with care. Watch how
We feed animals with care. Watch how.
they love their hay in gentle hands.
They love their hay, gentle hands.
Look,
Fresh eggs warm. Handle them with love.
Look, fresh eggs, handle them with love.
Whew, that was a close one.
True, that was a close one. Teamwork.
Small steps with big care.
Small steps, big care.
Dance break. Hooray for eggs.
Dance break, hooray for eggs.
Apples. Crunchy and
Apples, crunchy and sweet. Pick the red ones.
picked fresh from the farm. Give it a try.
Fresh from the tree.
Fresh
Yum!
From the tree. Yum! We plant seeds.
We plant seeds and care for them every day.
Every day.
see how a tiny seed becomes a plant.
See how a tiny seed becomes a plant.
Water helps them grow strong.
Water helps them grow strong.
Bees help flowers here.
Bees help
We
flowers.
watch
Oh no, we
safely.
watch safely.
Honey is golden. Bees give us sweet gifts.
Honey is golden. Bees give us sweet gifts.
Fixing things together keeps the farm safe.
Fixing things together keeps the farm safe.
Feed the ducks small pieces, they love it.
Feed the ducks small pieces. They love it.
A little work makes the garden happy.
A little work makes the garden happy.
Tiny bunny sleeping pure. Let's be gentle.
Shh. Tiny bunny sleeping. Let's be gentle.
Careful, we keep our chickens cozy.
Careful, we keep our chickens cozy.
Farm fresh milk. Milk tastes best right from the farm.
Milk tastes best right from the farm.
Beep, beep, beep.
This is the horn. Beep, beep.
Sheep move together, Faye. Gentle guiding works.
Sheep move together. Gentle guiding works.
Working together makes heavy jobs light.
Working together makes heavy jobs light.
Now we plow to help new seeds grow.
Now we plow to help new seeds grow.
Look! The soil gets ready for seeds.
Look, the soil gets ready for seeds.
Compost helps plants feel healthy.
Compost helps plants feel healthy.
Animals need clean water every day.
Animals need clean water every day.
Grooming keeps animals comfy and healthy.
Grooming keeps animals comfy and healthy.
Safety first, always ask for help.
Safety first. Always ask for help.
Whee! I'm riding a pony.
I'm riding a pony.
Our farm is bright because we decorated it.
Our farm is bright because we decorate it.
Tiny drops make sweet syrup.
Tiny drops make sweet syrup. Nature's candy.
Butterflies are gentle, watch them flutter.
Butterflies are gentle. Watch them flutter.
The sky tells us if it will rain or shine.
The sky tells us if it will rain or shine.
Pull gently. Look at that big carrot.
Pull gently. Look at that big carrot.
Fresh veggies go straight to our table.
Fresh veggies go straight to our table.
We make treats for our animals with care.
We make treats for our animals with care.
Can you guess this sound?
Can you guess this sound? Moo, yes, cow.
Soft strokes make them calm.
Soft
Little
strokes make them
birds
calm.
love seeds. Ow. Watch them.
Little birds love seeds. Watch them.
Compost helps plants. Compost feeds the soil.
Compost feeds the soil. Nature recycles.
Locks keep animals safe at night.
Locks keep animals safe at night.
Our scarecrow looks silly, but it helps.
Our scarecrow looks silly, but it helps.
Grains become food. Every step matters.
Grains become food. Every step matters.
Sunflowers grow tall to greet the sun.
Sunflowers grow tall to greet the sun.
Tadpoles will become frogs.
Tadpoles will become frogs. Nature's magic.
Wind makes music. Listen.
Wind makes music. Listen.
Trim gently so new leaves grow.
Snip soft.
Trim gently so new leaves grow.
Passing baskets fast. Teamwork wins.
Passing baskets fast. Teamwork wins.
Dance break.
Dance break. Farm groove time.
Piglets are so silly and wiggly.
Piglets are so silly and wiggly.
Picnic time tea. Farm snacks are the best.
Picnic time. Farm snacks are the best.
A rainbow, what pretty colors.
A rainbow. What pretty colors.
This farm has happy memories from long ago.
This farm has happy memories from long ago.
Today was Farm Fun Day. Check.
Today was Farm Fun Day. Check.
We give thanks for the food they help make.
We give thanks for the food they help make.
These prints show where each animal lives.
These prints show where each animal lives.
Stretch and breathe her. Feel calm and happy.
Stretch and breathe. Feel calm and happy.
Tiny kittens purr. Be gentle with them.
Tiny kittens purr. Be gentle with them.
Old Max Farm.
Clap, clap, let's learn and
Old Max Farm. Clap, clap. Let's learn and play.
Taking care of tools keeps them working.
Taking care of tools keeps them working.
We help animals when they need us.
We help animals when they need us.
We say thank you to our farm friends.
We say thank you to our farm friends.
1, 2, 3, count with me.
1, 2, 3, count with me.
1, 2, 3, count with.
1, 2, 3, count with me.
Safety first, hat and boots on.
Safety first, hat and boots on.
Tea time with friends day, even stuffed ones.
Tea time with friends, even stuffed ones.
Clap your hands, hey, farm fun.
Clap your hands. Farm fun.
What a wonderful day, hey, time to rest.
What a wonderful
Thank
day.
you for
Time to
helping
rest.
Today, Brave. We learned so much.
Thank you for helping today. We learned so much.
Goodbye, farm. See you again soon.
Goodbye, farm. See you again soon.
Like and subscribe to join Kiddy's next adventure.
Like and subscribe to join Kiddy's next adventure.
Next time, tell Kiddy at the amusement park. See
Next
you
time,
there.
Kitty at the amusement park. See you there. Thank you for watching. Kitty learned so many fun things at the farmhouse today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventure.